Stuffed cabbage. This will be a bit complicated, but to simplify it, get some sauerkraut. This is the brand I use. It can be obtained at Whole Foods, perhaps, although in my city there is an actual German grocery store. You will also need a pound of ground chicken, or the recipe can be done with pork as well. Chicken broth, bacon, an egg, an onion, tomato, tomato paste, rice, and for seasoning, black pepper, the always famous sweet Hungarian paprika, and some dill weed. For the stuffing, prepare half a cup of rice, although this part is optional. What is not, however, is a quarter of an onion, finely diced, the chicken, the egg, the seasonings. Go light on the dill, otherwise it will be too sweet. Once the rice is ready, add that as well. Stir, and now prepare to make balls of that stuffing. If you feel that your stuffing is a bit too runny, you can always add breadcrumbs as well. Now for the cabbage part, you must first drain, yes, drain it, and then wash it. If you enjoy a really, really bitter drink, you can drain into a glass. At this point, wash the sauerkraut so that it doesn't become as sour in the actual dish. The sourness already soaked into it is enough. Add to a deep pan. Along with half a sliced tomato, and of course, plenty of chicken broth. We need another box. You can add additional seasoning at this point. Once again, go easy on the nail. At this point, bring it to a boil. Once the cabbage is starting to boil, add the stuffing carefully. Along with a bunch of sliced bacon. Yum. Turn the stuffing every about 3 minutes. And at this point, you can add a little bit of celery to the sauce with some tomato paste. It will also help thicken it. You need maybe 1/3 of this can. From here on, it is mostly just waiting time until the sauce thickens and the chicken cooks. Jó étvágyat!